Welcome back to Voodoo Garage and welcome back to 2 Minute Tuesday. Now today's video again is going to be very brief, obviously because it's a 2 Minute Tuesday. Callum is in the workshop at the moment, is about to fit a Milltek Race catback exhaust system to a Fiesta ST180. This is by far the most popular exhaust system that we sell. They are unbelievably popular with the Fiesta MK7 community. So again, without further ado, we'll go and take a look at what's going on in the workshop and we'll see you very shortly. So the job's now complete. As I said before, this is by far the most popular exhaust system that we actually sell for the MK7 platform, and with good reason. So I'll leave in the description below links to the Milltek exhaust system we've actually put on this car, the Milltek collection in general. So if you don't necessarily have a Fiesta ST, you can have a look at what other exhaust systems they offer, downpipes, so on and so forth. But other than that, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video.